What's up? What's up? Let me check if everything's working good. Can y'all hear me? I think a little bit here. I think now it should be better. Alright, let's see, just got back home, man, so let's see what's going on here. Let's see. And I was anticipating that we're gonna get like less views today, especially that UV is running a live stream, I guess. Yep, he's running a live stream here. So I was gonna anticipate it that we're not gonna get so many views, so let's see. Mm, Like from the get-go, at least like I would only be willing to trade by 11. Like there's nothing really we can trade right now. There's nothing really we can take. Where's 1800? This is 1800, so this is like open high into a key level, which is this gap again. We did not reverse from the gap, we formed the high, then reversed off of it. But like from the get-go, I really want to see HO taking out these highs. If I want to take shorts, I would not really be willing to take shorts without HO taking out that high. I want to see that resync here. That would cause probably that's a strength switch here. So from this one being weaker to stronger, trigger that and then dump lower. So that would be really the idea for me here going forward with oil. So that would be really it. Or again, just gotta wait for like some sort of expansion away from the level and then like an M15 gap or a 30-minute gap and then trade away from back into that level, because there's nothing really we can reverse off of other than this high. We also have like this hourly gap here. Let me clean these charts, bro. This shit is messy as hell. Let me just put it in here. Okay. So yeah. So we just gotta wait. If not, then we're probably gonna see. So far we do have this SMT here, like this second stage here. Like, can you trade this one up to the highs? Yup. Why? Because we have a strength switch here. Again, HO is the weaker asset since they haven't traded above the high yet. And now it's putting in the higher high. So we can anticipate that CL might trade back into the high so that CL can go ahead and catch up to that same high. But again, this candle doesn't really support expansion for the CISD. There's no level that we can like frame a CSD off of, so we just gotta wait here. Ideally, want to see HO going for a high and then distributing lower. So that would be like the case. In Q, similar case, like I think this 7 a.m. news from yesterday, they fucked up the markets, like all the markets. So we just gotta wait now. Look at that shit. So again, another relevant level. And if you really check, we're just taking out lows, retracing, taking out lows, retracing. So even if you want to take it long here, you shouldn't be anticipating that we're gonna go for a high, at least for the time being. You gotta wait a little bit, probably like until we kind of see ISD. Then you can anticipate that okay, this is a protected level that we can deliver away from, because we're just getting like this deep retracements whenever we take out a low, retrace back, low, retrace, low, retrace. So you just go with the similar case, like similar scenario, that even if you want to take buys, probably ideally you just want to be out by the EQ this range, like the current range or something like that. There's an M15 change in state on ES, I guess. I think, yep, we just got. I was highlighting this one. I was planning to take that one, but I was just like, you know what? Let me just see some sort of expansion. But we do have this M15 here, which actually looks really good. Let me see. Let me log into my trader really quickly. Wait. Let me log. Oh, not this one. No, I'm starting soon. Let me log into my trader really quickly. I might, you know what? I'll just take it with like a really low risk, maybe like a $50 risk or something like that. Just to kind of swing it. Let's see. All right, so I just logged in. We got to remain. All right, give me one sec, guys. What's up, man? I just finished the call. Shit. It was. Oh wow! Look at ES. I should have closed that shit. I probably should have been. Oh no. Could have been up like $70 now, but anyways, we'll just wait for a gap and then try to trade the expansion. For CL, again, that string switch happened, so probably gonna go for a high to kind of resync. Each O did actually trade into the high, so we're probably gonna see a string switch here. One sec. Holy fuck, man. The longest call ever. What the fuck? What's up, man? Y'all are still here? Shout out to the people that stayed, man. Shout out. Big shout out. Oh my god, bro. Look at... Oh my god. Oh my god. Shouldn't have closed, man. Shit. Alright, no worries. Let's see what's up. Oh my god, bro. That call fucked me up, really. Oh my days. That was a clean long, not gonna lie. Like, I don't know, the one contract, 276. Anyways, now I'm interested in taking HO, by the way. Just give me like that open high, close, and I'm gonna take it back to the current low day. Not current low day, I don't think, yeah, this is not current low of day. So yeah, shit, man. Oh my god. Missed out on 2 trades. Crazy shit. Yeah, I could have taken this one quite easily. Hourly PSP, second stage, away from like a high. Away from the hive day. Like forming a hive day off of like 2-stage PSP, you could easily target like this gap or like these lows. So it is what it is. It was like way longer. I thought like it's gonna last for like 2 minutes. Then yeah, it just, yeah, I had to sort out a lot of different things. Anyways, let me see the chat. فين غابر؟ احنا والله افتكر كده تبعتك شو هذاك. Hi, can you please explain 4-hour tips? Alright. What do you see on GPP? GPP? You exited the trade? Yeah, bro. Because I was on a call and just executed, and I was not really on paying attention, so I was like, let me just close it, and then once I close the call, once I hang up, I'll have to like reevaluate the situation and get in again. But yeah, just yeah. Gold weekly perspective week. Oh no, bro. I don't really look at like from a week to week perspective. You don't really know, bro. Like look at that. In the morning I wanted to take a long actually. I wanted to take this long here, if I do remember. Yeah, it was this long. Back to this high, anticipating like an SMT break, this high, and then like your 1 minute, like just all of a sudden within 1 minute, boom. So with what's going on right now in the world, you cannot really anticipate the week. You'll just be lucky enough if you can just anticipate the next hourly candle. You'll have an edge. Other than that, bro, like yeah, for the time being, I cannot really take it like from a week to week perspective, or like yeah, just take it day by day, candle by candle, and that's all what you can do. Like that's the best you can do. So anyways, I gotta wait for like HO, giving like that open high. I'm giving like a new validation level that we can enter from. Also CL looks clean from this gap. That'll be good. That'll be good. But like the trade was here. This could have been the trade, by the way. This could have been a trade. Go from this high. Put stop there. Probably just gonna put it at the body, not gonna lie, because we have a gap here. And then at least, oh, look at that shit. That's what we're talking about, man. Look at that shit. Like all of a sudden a candle just pushes, boom. What's going on? We don't know. So this is the type of shit that's going on this week. So yeah, you cannot really oh my god, I closed the stream. Holy shit. I closed the stream by mistake. Wait, let me get back on chat. I closed the stream by mistake. Alright, we'll be back. Y'all can hear me, right? The internet is good, everything's good. Alright, I think everything's good. And y'all can hear me, right? Alright, so okay. New 4-hour, are you, oh my god, bro, look at that. If we get that CISD, I'm gonna get in. That shit is, oh my god, what's going on, bro? I might just get in with the 1 minute, I'm not gonna lie. I might just go with like your 1 minute entry here. Yeah, I might just go with like the 1 minute, man, I'm not gonna lie. This shit is just super volatile. Let me just close that. MCL. So let me go to MCL. MCL right here. I'll have to go with like this high. Now we'll go for these lows here. 2R, perfect. Let's see. I'll probably get though like 2 contracts. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we're gonna get. Rest in peace, my granny. She got hit by a bazooka. Bro, I just this song. I don't know if you guys know it or not. Literally, I just knew it now. Bro, my IG just full of this song. Whatever I scroll, it's just crazy. Rest in peace, my granny. She got hit by a bazooka. I don't know if you guys have listened to it or not. That's such a funny song, man. Rest in peace, my granny. She got hit by a bazooka. Let me see the 2 minute. What's going on there? Kabla. Kaboom. She got hit by RV. Okay. That looks good. That looks good. What do you think in the situation when micro chart confirms CISD, but mini doesn't? Ideally, you want to follow the mini. Yeah, just go with the mini, bro. If you get the CISD on the mini, then execute on the micro. So that's why I'm watching now CL here too. So once that CISD is confirmed here, then I will just market execute here on MCL. So always follow the mini. All right, seems like I'm gonna get that entry. Let me just put 2 contracts there. Let me just get them ready. Let me just put my sell limit here for the next 30 seconds. Then we can. Oh, let me push a little bit higher in case like this shit decided to flip. So let's see if we're gonna get the CISD or not. You're welcome, my brother. You're welcome. Who that was? There was Granny. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so I'm gonna put this one here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we good. I'll put it a little bit lower. Okay, so we're gonna go with like 180 risk. For this low here to get taken out. Let me take this off. Let me take this. Let me make this one HO. All right, let's see if we're gonna get the trade or not. All right, I'm in. I'm about to get tagged in. Come on, one little push. One little push, please. Can you go a little bit higher, please? Okay, okay, no worries. You can do whatever you want. Okay. All right, let's take up. Oh, we're traded from like kind of this volume imbalance here. Or I'm just gonna wait. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. All right, that's good. Okay, we're in. Let's see. Let's see if CL is gonna pay us back or not. Let's see. We're kind of reacting off of this gap, but again, like if you really check, we tap the gap first, then we can retrace back, confirm that CISD. Let's see if that's gonna hold or not. Let's see if this hourly gap is gonna do us dirty here or not. Let's see. And by the way, I was gonna go with this wick for the entry. Like when you have this such fat ass wick, most of the days we trade back to the wick before pushing lower. Let's see if we're gonna trade lower today or not. 4 hour, 6 hour. Nothing really going on here. Let's see. We can find tonight. Again, this is a strength switch, by the way. Strength switch from going higher, from stronger to weaker, from weaker to stronger. Really check. First stage, second stage, confirmed by an hourly PSP here. This 2-stage PSP. This is the PSP. This is the second stage. So ideally, we could have traded like during this candle here, within this candle. But again, this is a C4, so it should expand at least to take out this low. Like that's the bare minimum it should do. Take out a low, and then we'll see if we can manage this trade or not. And overall, my stop is within the upper half of the AQ of the last candle. So We should be good. Like, we should be good. If we get taken out, then yeah, most likely gonna go for a high. Most likely. But ideally, I want to see now, each O also confirming this CIC. If we get a CIC on each O, that would be beautiful. Either here, or if we kind of wick out the high, that would confirm this as being the new level. So, let's wait and see. Let me see what's going on in Discord. Alright. Where were you? I was just taking a little break, man. From live streams and stuff, so. Gold weekly perspective. We talked about that, buddy. You cannot really anticipate the weekly perspective, especially with what's going on nowadays with like the war and stuff. You cannot really tell what's gonna happen. As I said, like if you can anticipate just the next hourly candle, that's good. With what's going on right now, bro. With all the cracks and correlation and shit. US is causing like all the cracks and correlation now, so you never know. Once you get Trump 2 stage, so I'm not really sure, bro, what's gonna happen. Yeah, just trade intraday. That's it. We can find tonight. We can find tonight. We can find tonight. We can find tonight. So this is empty for the time being. Is this SMT going to hold or not? That's what we're gonna figure out right now. That's what we're gonna find out. That's what we'll find out. Oh, I haven't taken off. Alright, that should be it. Let's see. Let's see if HO, like this is the time where HO now should start reversing. Like now. Should above a high. We'll literally kind of trace back into the EQ of this current range here. So yeah. We're sitting within a gap. We have the SMT. What next do you need? Like what more do you need? Let me see what's going on with ES. Shit. Hourly. We do have EC3 here, by the way. But you cannot really trade this. I think I might take an L here. Yeah. Like once you see that the SMT is not getting respected, that's what you know. That's when you know that the high is gonna get taken out. All right. 90 bucks. Let's see. No, it's just kind of traced back into like this auto block here. Let's see. Let's see if this one is gonna do the job. Let's see if this auto block is gonna be the catalyst for the reversal. One minute. Seems like this gap is doing its job. Like that's the only gap within the leg, so like if this gap gets violated, then yeah, the low is gonna be the target. Let's see. I'm actually interested in taking this GC long to the high. Let me see what's going on with silver. Yep. I really want to take this long here. To this high here. So I'm just going to go ahead and open MGC here. Let's see. Again, I will probably go with this. It's anticipating this SMT to be broken. I'm just going to go for like an SMT break trade here. Let's see. No closure. Okay. Gonna wait another 3 minutes. Gonna wait for the next 3-minute candle to close. And again, like the whole idea of this is like, again, we just expanded away. We formed a gap. We have this SMT fill here. So that's really like the whole idea for this trade. Alright. I think GC is gonna make us that money back. Let's see if we're gonna get the closure. And that's good. Also, within 2 minutes, we have a new 15-minute candle to open. So hopefully we're gonna form also on like CL, that second stage here, like a first stage to expand lower. That would be good because we still have this gap open. So let's see if this gap is gonna form some sort of cracks and correlations for us to expand lower. And the good thing is like whenever kind of CL is expanding lower, this one is expanding higher. So we're still looking for buys here and we're looking for sells here. So most likely, like if the gold idea plays out, CL idea also might play out, or they might fail both. So let's see. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up. We got 13 likes. So if you guys haven't hit the thumbs up already, go ahead and do so. That would help the channel grow. And also to keep me motivated to do more live streams. So let's see. So as you guys can see, like this one closed bearish, bullish on gold. This one, like if probably this candle starts flipping bullish, this candle might start flipping bearish. It's not the best of closes, bro. I'll give it a try. Oh wait, let me see GC. What happened to GC? Did we get a closure or not? No, we did not. Did not get a closure on GC. If you really check, we haven't closed above on GC, so we gotta wait for this current 5-minute candle to close, and then we'll take it. CL is slowly crawling up into my stop, man. All right, gold is pushing higher. I closed the trade because on MGC, if you guys see, we did get the closure, but on GC we did not really, so I had to wait there for a sec. I'll wait for GC to close and then I will take it back on MGC. So let's see. Let's see. So gold is struggling to break above, like really. So that was a good decision. Let's see, yes. Just sideways. YM and 15. Let me see. Hourly. 30 minute. 15. Yeah, like this 30 minutes is troublesome, man. Oh, look at that rejection. Oh, we close the C2. This 45-minute candle closes C2. 90-minute. Oh, look at that. Let me check the 90-minute. Yeah, looks like I'm gonna get taken out. Yeah, I think it's just a matter of time. Tell when I get M15. Let's see. This feels like now as if I'm taking like an M15 entry. Look at that. And I'm putting my stop at the bottom of the M15 cable. Voice too low. Can you guys hear me now? I think now you guys can hear me, right? Alright, so I think this is just a matter of time until me getting taken out. Yeah. So it's gonna be 180 for the day, minus 180 for the day, so. Let me see. ES. What's going on with ES? Trade higher? Shit, bro. Look at that shit. Oh my god, bro. Oh, wrong decision since I closed. For me closing that one, that was like the wrong decision. Unfortunately, I should have held it. Should have held it. Then go for this high. This is like an easy. This is like an easy trade. 3-minute PSB, taking out a low. 15-minute change in state, so probably this is gonna be the low 10 a.m. to expand higher. So that was like a clean, easy trade, took on a spot. Okay, thank you, CL. Thank you. Wow, interesting. Wow. Okay, so the gap is holding. That's good. All right. Hopefully, I'm not gonna jinx it. Hopefully. Let me see. All right, so I might have a PSP there. Good, good, good girl, good girl. Come on, start. If we confirm this, this closure here, I'm gonna move my stop from that high to this high. I'm probably gonna minimize my risk by like, I don't know, $50 or some shit like that. And I might just gonna do like I might take 2 contracts here more, so I would get filled somewhere in here and think close to, so that my average fill would be somewhere in here. My stop would be here, so I would lose just like $100 instead of 200. So let me see. Once we get that closure, I will let y'all know how I will go about the management. But so far so good. That's good. Come on. If we confirm that CISD, I think we should be good to go for the lows. Hopefully. But if we fuck around too much, yeah, it's just gonna go back to right what it was. Right what it was. Let's see. Hopefully I'm not gonna jinx it, hopefully. Look at my entry, bro. Fuck's sake. Look what I'm entering, bro. Oh my god, dog. Like that shit is crazy. Let me close one contract, bro. I think I'm just gonna close one contract. Alright. Just close one contract, man. And then if we get that closure, I will just go ahead and get in again. Let me see if we're gonna get the M15. Now if we get the M15 confirmed, then I'm gonna take an entry here. So my average fill would be somewhere in here. And then, oh, wait. Let me take him off. Just gonna put my buy stop here. And I'm gonna put another one here. Let's see if we're gonna get the closure. And I will show you all the management. Now if I go with one contract, I'll be risking $52 instead of 95. So I just lowered my risk in half. Also this one, I'm just risking $90. So in total, I'll be risking like 120. But I'm not gonna be risking here $90. I'll probably lower my stop here. So I already lowered my stop. So now I'm risking like, I don't know, $70. So now instead of risking $200, I'll be risking like 120 for the same reward, and even more because I will be entering somewhere in here. So I'll make more and risk less, if you guys know what I mean. I'll say get whatever that TP was, like, I don't know, this was like around $400 or a little bit more. So with entering here, I will get like 450. For me, risking way less. So let's see if it's gonna play out or not. Look at that, bro. Look, look at the CISD, and that shit is too far away from it. I'm gonna get in from this gap actually. I'm gonna get in from this gap here. This gap looks good. For like a $46 risk, I guess. 46, yeah, $46 risk. That's good. That would be perfect. All right. So let's see. As soon as we see this 15-minute candle closes, then, or you know what? Let me just put it right now. Gonna go with the limit here. All right. Let's see. So once I get tagged, I will enter. My average fill would be here. My average fill would be here. So my overall risk would be like this. Like, which is around 120. Yeah, 124. Just based off the math I did on my head. 124. And for risking and getting $400 out of it. So, that's how we go. Let's see if we're going to get tagged or not. Red. Let me take this off. That looks ugly. Gotta wait for the 15-minute candle to close. Gotta wait for the 15-minute candle to close. And if I take an L, then that would be perfect. How much I'm risking now? I'm risking 78, and I got a $30 loss, so I'll lose $100, so which is 50% of the original risk. So I'm winning anyways. Like yeah. Anyways it goes, like I'm safer. Let's see. Oh, gold. Let me see what's. Oh, fuck's sake, bro. Gold did actually close. Let me see gold. We did close. But I don't like how we closed, bro. Like, it just took ages. I'll just wait for a new validation level. Away from this gap or something like that. Look at that. We formed like a more of a range and then broke out of it, so. Alright, the gap is doing its job. I'm still having price lower. Alright. When was that? Oh, this is yesterday's trade? What? Oh, I think this is today in the morning. Yep, I'll take this trade. Take this trade here. My TP was somewhere near, but I just got tagged out of break even. After I just closed it after the failure to CISD. As you guys know with my management. Once we get the failure to CISD, I just close the trade. Alright, M15 is confirmed. That's good. Alright, another entry here. Alright. Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me make sure. CL is also closing. Okay, that's good. Oh, whoa. Close. Just push it there. Come on, fast, bro. It took you ages. Confirm. Confirm. Alright. Alright. So now I'm risking 140. 140 in total. To gain what? To gain how much? 190 or 190? Like 360? No, like 380. Alright, let's see. Let me just keep this one here. It looks a lot cleaner. That's a PSP, okay. We have the two-stage PSP now. We have a two-stage PSP now. Each ultra shader above equals bullish. So, come on, CL. You ain't gotta fuck around that much. Just gotta see IZ lower and push lower. Come on. Alright, we're gonna get taken out. You survived like an hour just to get a nail. Oh my god. Can I make this smaller? Alright, that's good. Oh, my days. Come on, CL. Do something, bro. Like, take me out, let me go to bed, or go to my TP and let me go to bed. Anyways, I just want to sleep. NQ did nothing today. Nothing today. NQ. Like, there was a clean M15 entry on ES, bro, that I took and I closed. It was like an M15 entry. It was clean, not gonna lie. For that high. But overall, dude, where have you been? I was just taking a little break, man, from streams. Going about at this moment? Where are you from? Bro, I live in China. I live in China now? Look at that. Look at the time. So it's midnight here. So. But I'm not Chinese. Alright, most likely 100% I'm gonna get taken out right now. Like literally within the next 2 minutes, I'm gonna get taken out. What time is it now? 35? 37, I'll be taken out. Let's see. Yeah, especially when we kind of flip. That flip, like just boom. Yeah, like the next, like before 37, I would be out of this trade. Let's see. Hopefully it doesn't, it doesn't follow what I say. What's up? What's up? How are you doing, my brother? What's up? How are you doing? Everything good? It's been a minute. It's been a minute. Pretty choppy to me today. Yeah, bro. The markets nowadays have been just a little tough, you know? Are you in China? Yep. Currently, yep. Studying Chinese now. Yes, you are Chinese. Yep. Um, Dean got me, knows. I'm Chinese. Let me see. So gold is actually pushing from that CIC, but yeah, two ideas. This one. Let's see if it's gonna play out or not. Anyways, we're gonna focus on CL. Full screen. Hope for the best. The gap is all in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that range, man. Next time when we have like such a fat ass wick, I'm not really gonna enter the trade. Really. Yeah, that's like a lesson for me. I'm not really gonna enter trades when we have like let me check if we had one earlier. We did. But we just expanded directly. Anyways. Alright. Just gonna minimize my risk there. This ain't really looking good, so yeah. So now, yeah. Just gotta wait. There he goes for stop, or he goes for TP, so. Where did you finish in your university in China? Where did you finish in university in China? I don't really understand, but I'm currently in university in China. Yeah. But I'm not doing major, I'm doing language. Oh, look at gold, bro. Wow, interesting. Oh my god. That's gonna be $200 if it's TP, and $60 if it takes me out. Already got like $30 and also $30 L, so in total I'll be losing like 120. Let's see. Do you speak Mandarin? A little bit. So after language, which major do you want to do? I already graduated from university. I already got my bachelor's degree in software engineering. So in gold longs, yeah, bro. Yeah, because MGC did not fucking close. It closed above, but the gold did not close. So I closed the trade right there. Come on, can you do something, CL, please? Can you make a move? Volume is dead. I want to come from Master China too. Nice, man. Good luck. Very good luck. It's a good choice. Think I go for the highs now. Yeah, especially for this high. It's been. I wanted to take a long. I took a long here earlier on. No, not here. I wanted to take a long here for this. So I'm anticipating an SMT break like from London. So if I want to take a trade long, I would not really be looking for this. I would be looking for this one. So. Oh, finally, CL is making some moves. Let's go. Finally. Okay, that's good. Finally. Alright. Let me take this out. Hourly. Merchant, what's up, man? Wanna hop on? Wanna hop on my G? Oh, wait. 1 sec, somebody's calling. Just record. Oh my god. Merchant, you gotta hop on Zoom, bro. Send me the Zoom link. If you're free, send me the Zoom link. Let me hop on Discord. Send me the Zoom link. We gotta hop on, man. Let me send you a message. Alright, might just out of call it a day. Give me 1 sec. I just gotta call a friend. He's here on stream. Let me see if he can hop on. Oh, what the fuck? He did call. What the fuck? Oh no, that's yesterday, right? Yeah, that's yesterday. I was like, shit. Yo, what's up? Oh, wanna hop on stream? Wanna hop on stream? Alright. But that's CL. That's CL, not like incurred. CL. M5. You gotta hop on Zoom, man. We gotta hop on Zoom. Come on, man. Let me mute the mic. Let me mute the mic. All right, we back. We back, and I think we're gonna go before we back. Yeah, there's nothing really going on. It's 11. Nothing really going on here. I got chopped out. So, just gotta accept the L and move on. Wait a minute. Yeah. This looked really cool for a 2-stage PSP to go deliver lower. But again, same with like in Q. We take out a high, we retrace. Take out a high, just a retracement, not a reversal. So, yep, that's probably my